welcome to vlog number 33. I have not shortened this vlog in the entire day. Now that I'm doing it, and I want to make sure that there is at least some content in the vlog so that I can upload it tomorrow. So let's get started. My birthday fever is not over yet, as apparently it seems, because I have not celebrated my birthday with my family. So here is the homemade cake.
Paracetamol in the morning. That's why there was temperature was low. Now suddenly fever is starting to get sore.
Yeah. So that is that birthday fever is still under fire. So that's why I'm shooting it right now. Let's celebrate. Indro, take it. Let's go. Take it from that angle. I don't want to show my people's face
আমার
much.
ঢেকুটা এ ছাড়া চলে না আমার
So
তাহলে একটা জিনিস চালানো যায় খুব ভালো
yeah. Let's go. Pause karo.
এই সব বন্ধুদের সঙ্গে
So here is Padmanabha Das. He is firing the
Candle.
sparkle. Yay! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy belated birthday. এই কেন বন্ধ করছো লাইট ফাইট তুমি? আরে আমাকে তুই খা।
তুই খা বার্থডে বয়। হ্যাঁ
বাবাকে খাওয়াচ্ছে
বড় করে
কালকে বাড়িতে ভেঙে গেছে একেবারে নতুন করে কাট। ঠিক আছে? হ্যাঁ ওই
আসো
এটা আমি না
আসো না।
মুকুট বানিয়েছে হ্যাঁ একটু বেশি করে দাও ওকে
পজ করো we are going to unbox
না
ভাই দাঁড়াও তো সবাই একসঙ্গে একটা ফটো নেই
so
বিজয়
this is some
এই টেবিল তো নিয়ে আসো না
bag.
ওদের খাবারগুলো
It's probably because I travel a lot.
হ্যাঁ
I think this is because I travel a lot.
এটা বিশেষত যে এর মধ্যে চার্জার দেওয়া আছে
চার্জার দেওয়া আছে লক দেওয়া আছে কেউ চুরি করতে পারবে না
Oh, nice.
দেখ দুটো কেন কিনেছি বুঝলি একটা তোর একটা আমার
এটা চার্জ দিতে পারবি
তাই
আবার
জন্য এটা খোলা হয়েছে
চুরি করতে পারবে না কেউ তোর থেকে তুই লক পাসওয়ার্ড মানে
এটা কমপ্লিট চয়েস আমি চয়েস করিনি
এটা কি জিনিস রে
এটা চেঞ্জ ব্যাগ
ও চাই অনেক জায়গায়
Oh, wow. There is a charger.
চার্জারও আছে সব
এই সবাই একসঙ্গে দাঁড়াও তো একটা
এই চলে বিজয় এদিকে
আপনার পছন্দ হয়েছে
Crazy, yeah.
দাঁড়াও
ওটা একটা কাজে লাগে ইউটিলিটি
তুমি দাঁড়াও বিজয়ের পাশে
চার্জ করলে কি হবে এখানে
শোনো না ইন্দ্রনীল
এই ডিজিটাল লক
তুমি দাঁড়াও
কিন্তু লকটা দিয়ে কোনটা কি?
গুলোকে নিয়ে যাও এগুলো
না, এর
Oh,
মধ্যে
আচ্ছা,
ডিফল্ট
এটাকে
আমরা
আমি
জিরো
এইভাবে
দিয়ে
এখানে রাখবো।
এর কেকের উপর করবে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ডিজিটাল কোনটা
Okay.
ওই যে ওটা
We'll
ডিজিটাল
try to
লক
figure it out.
নাও
But this is a fashion bag.
এখানে রেখে দাও এটা
I got the thumbnail. There is a digital fashion
নিয়ে যাও
bag.
একটু
ডিজিটাল লক
হ্যাঁ
আছে
ছুরিটা কোথায়
নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে
This is analog lock, not digital lock.
ওটা ছুরে
কেন
Analog lock.
আর দিতে হবে না
এই আড্ডা করে
ছুরি চাটা ওয়ান্টি
আরেকজনে একজনে খাবে সবাই খাবে কি
আমাকে দেবে না
সবাই কি দেই
Love it.
রেটিং ইজ ভেরি হাই
আমাকে না না দিস ইজ ইউজ অফ দি চার্জার
আরেকজন
ওই করতে করতে গেলে কেটে দেবে
দেই দেই
Let's go.
আমাকে
Thank you.
চলে
Thank you so
ভালো
much.
লাগছে
কোনটা?
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ দেবো দেবো
আমার জন্য একটু রেখে দাও
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
আমাকে দেবে না আমার ভীষণ ভালো
Done.
আমি নিচে
Hello and welcome to the final part of the vlog. So welcome to it. I am going to get a few of the content sorted right now. First part is how my day was, how it went after the ADHD walks that I had yesterday, and then how it went today, and what did I do, what did I achieve, what did I understand, and all this stuff. So few things that I understood from yesterday. One was I was very much over analytical of stuff. If you are over analytical, you will chances of you doing overthinking is very high, and whenever you are doing overthinking, you are actually ruining the part of your piece that you never want to mess up with in the first place. Now coming to the part of today I woke up in the morning. I had a session from 11:30 and I joined that session, and while I was doing the session I was eating my lunch and I came to office, but I did not have my bath. And I then came to office. I had a meeting from 12:45. We did the meeting from 12:45 to 1:45, and after meeting I just went on have a bath and started working on my last video, and the work was pretty much done today by 4. And I went to my client's place at 4:30, 4:45, It was Wall who are planning for that gaming event and all. So I went there. There was a lot of healthy discussion. Then I came back to office. I did all the YouTube requirements that were needed to be done. Once that was done, then I went ahead at my home, and then you saw the celebration. I went ahead before home. I was doing a few other stuffs as well. So that's something for some other time. And right now it's about 10. Oh, right now it's 11:03. After that home and all this, after the egg roll that I had, I came back to office to do a little bit of work, but then I remember I have to shoot a video as well. So I'm shooting this video as well as informing you guys on how to take care of yourself when you have an ADHD. Because hyper focus, you have to capitalize on the hyper focus part, while you have to neutralize, or you have to make stop of the side that is hyperactivity. So one way to capitalize on hyper focus is by creating a momentum. Once you break the momentum, then you have to make it very easier for you. Second is the task that you have with yourself. If the tasks are very hard and very tedious, and you are very less confident and you are very new to it, the ADHD is going to be much more difficult for you, and especially if creative side of things is also involved. So if you are doing a very hard task, it is not that easy. So start with a small task that is very easy to do. Once you do that, you set a little bit easier task, which is this thing, which is the next thing. So whenever, let's just say I'm starting by writing a copy that I have never written, so what do I need to do? I have to write a headline. Now what do I need to write? I only need to line one headline that will grab someone's attention. Once I've gotten that, then what I need to do? I have to make the sub headline as per the headline. And when I'm making the subheadline, automatically the next line comes to my mind. So it's 1 2 3 4. When you achieve this micro stuffs one by one, you get the confidence, you get the momentum, you get the things rolling. And once you get the things rolling, then you start to get the power that I can do it. And you don't even know what how much time it takes. And before you know, it is 5 hours of continuous work. And that's the power of people with ADHD. They can do continuous work for 3 hours, 4 hours. They don't even know how they're working this long. Once they're done, then this kind of things happen. Now, coming to the part two, second part, which I need to do personally. I knew it, but I never thought I would need to do it. So create a tasking habits, create a list of tasking habits that you want to execute, which is I'm gonna do it. And the task must be quite similar. If I'm doing writing, then it's copywriting, then it's content writing. I'm sorting all the similar task at one particular hour, and on the dissimilar task at different particular hour, so that I have the momentum going on. Or if I'm writing ads now, I'm running ads, I'm running the performance marketing later, I'm doing analytics after that, after doing, if I'm doing n number of things in a span of 2 to 3 hours, I am bound to be affected by ADHD. So you do not necessarily need to do n number of things. Even if you are assigned to do n number of things, just stick to one thing. That is what I'm going to follow, and I'm going to do from next time onward, and then I'm going to move it. Today I realized it. And the second is, always have a pre-planned schedule. Because if you have a pre-planned schedule, you will never get distracted. Okay, after this I have to do this, after this I have to do this. The ADHD effect comes to you when you do not have pre-plans and you are going random as. Now I used to go random as because of my clients' requirements, but I'm not going to do that now, because a lot of top tier firms, a lot of top tier people have in number of meetings, this meeting to that meeting, that meeting to that meeting, but they all of it is scheduled. So he knows what kind of mindset is going to one meeting and another meeting. If I am not scheduled and I'm doing this client's work, that this time, this the ADHD is bound to happen. So only way to beat ADHD is discipline. That is something that I have to pull it. There is no other way about it. I've been saying this for the past 31 years. This is 31 days. I think it's 33 by now. So it does not make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. So that's why I'm gonna take it to a serious note. Take it on a serious note, and tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early and start the work, and then I'll see how much I can take it forward. And from that point of time, I'm just going to do the work. I'm going to document things which I started this vlog as. That's my documentation journey. 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour. If I've not watched my previous video, I would not have understood what are the mistakes that I did. It's not just the analytics, it is understanding from the own vlogs. It is understanding mistakes, and it is implementing all the changes in your life and see how it affects you. It is not just giving the gyan, it is living the life. So that is what I'm going to do. And yeah, that's it for now. See you on tomorrow's vlog. And if we are doing anything particularly special tonight, because tonight is Saturday night, I'll show it in the vlog. That's it for now. Let's break.